back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a very special haul for the BTS armies over there. So Annyeong, hi. So yeah, I'm going to be reviewing, I'm just going to be unboxing the parcel I received yesterday from BTS Amy shop. I'll link her Insta page in the description below. You can check it out. She has very cool items on her page. So this was my first experience shopping for such kind of BTS kind of stuff, as I don't have anything other than the McDonald's BTS meal Coke wala cup. So yeah, this was my first experience, and let's see what the products are. Let's get into the unboxing video. Let's go. Video and the contents, I'm pretty much sure the camera didn't catch everything clearly, so I'm here again to show you everything personally. So this is the first thing I would like to show you is the card she sent me. It says, "Thank you Aishwarya for your purchase, keep supporting us, shine, dream, smile, love yourself, you are the best." And she has a name written here and also picture of a boy. Isn't this so cute? And it's in purple. Favorite. See, purple has been my every time favorite, not just because I've entered the BTS fandom. Purple especially is that color which, I don't know, gives you a different vibe. Like, I can't explain that. Now it's more special because of BTS. So this was the card she sent me. Now moving to the items. So I got two long strips of the boys. One, oh cute, this one. So here's Namjoon, RM, Jin, Suga, J-Hope, Jimin, B, Jungkook. So this is the first one. It also says BTS. And the second strip is, okay, I must say this is for the soft armies, cute who stand soft bellies, and this strip is for the hard standers. Like, This is the second strip right here. Again, in the same manner, Namjoon, Jin, RM, Jin, Suga, J-Hope, Jimin, E, Jungkook. Kim Namjoon, Kim Seokjin, Min Yoongi, Jung Ha-seok, Park Ji-min, Kim Taeyang, Jang Jungkook, BTS. Yes. Ta-da! I received this too. So cute. This picture is my favorite of the members. They look so cute and everything. Okay. And I also received their pictures, which was from their Life Goes On performance. I cannot forget that performance. It was so okay. So here's the OT7 picture from that performance. Here is Min Yoongi, Suga, Jungkook, Jin, Jimin, Wee, RM, J-Hope. I'm your hope, you're my hope, I'm J-Hope. And this is a cute picture right here. I'll just screenshot the image contents and I'll put it somewhere here, so you'll get to know what sizes were there of the bees. This one, I even got this boy with love ticket. Hope one day I can go to this purple ocean with lots of armies and just yell my lungs out the fan chat. Oh my god, it's gonna be crazy. Okay, moving on. More OT7 pictures. Ta-da! Polaroid. Cute. V is looking so cute here in this costume. And this is B21. The animations. OT7 picture. OT7 again. Bata. Keep screaming, guys. We are. I don't want to get copyrighted. Okay. We are bulletproof, the eternal. BTS in the soup. And I also received this little cat over here who's showing me a finger heart. Now you guys guess who this person is. Which of the member is this teeny tiny little picture? Also received bag one. Oh my god. Can you see this? Can you just देख लो मन मार के देख. So this is the wow. Just look at this down picture. This one, oh my god, it's so crazy. And then they are wow. Look at that. Wow, the visuals. Oh my god. Why is it so hard here? So that was everything in the parcel I received, and it's so good quality. If you want to make an order, if you want to purchase this stuff and you kind of want to keep them in your phone, transparent cover cases, I can't show it right now because I'm recording from my phone. So yeah, you can do that. You can make an album out of it. It's up to you how you customize your own BTS photos. So yeah, in case you're wondering about the prices and all, I'll not mention it. You can just go and DM her on her Instagram. I'll mention it in the description box below. Talking about the quality and everything, it's simple because the papers are good and you can laminate them, the prints are good. So yeah, everything is good about that, and she responds really well, and she's really communicative. So yeah, once you go check it out, check out her Insta page. I'll link it in the description below. Show her some love, keep supporting her, okay? That was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked this video. If you liked it, please share it with your friends and family. Like this video, comment your bias records, and the member, guess that member who it was, and also subscribe to my channel if you are liking my content. And for all the armies out there, keep streaming butter and permission to dance, because the baton is going to be passed on to permission to dance, and yes, we need that again with permission to dance. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Please stay safe. I'll meet you guys in my next video, and alright, stay safe. I don't know. 구독과 좋아요, 댓글, 알람 설정까지 부탁해요. 안녕. 사랑해요. 뭐라 해? Keep streaming.